Welcome to today's video, where we will be diving into the world of inferential statistics. So, what exactly is inferential statistics? Well, strap in because we're about to find out. Inferential statistics is a branch of statistics that allows us to make inferences or educated guesses about a population based on a sample. It's like taking a small piece of a pie and using it to represent the whole pie. By carefully analyzing our sample data, we can draw conclusions about the larger population it came from. To do this, we use a variety of techniques such as hypothesis testing and confidence intervals. Hypothesis testing helps us determine whether a certain observation or result is statistically significant or simply due to chance. Confidence intervals, on the other hand, provide us with a range of values that likely includes the true population parameter. But why do we even need inferential statistics? Well, it's often impractical or impossible to collect data from an entire population. Let's say we want to know the average income of all the people in a city. Instead of surveying every single individual, we can take a sample of households, analyze their incomes, and use that information to estimate the average income for the entire population. Now, let's talk about some key concepts in inferential statistics. One of the most important ones is the p-value. The p-value is the probability of obtaining a result as extreme as, or more extreme than, the one observed, assuming the null hypothesis is true. If the p-value is very small, typically less than 0.05, we reject the null hypothesis and conclude that there is enough evidence to support an alternative hypothesis. Another key concept is the confidence level. The confidence level represents the level of certainty we have in our estimation. It is commonly set at 95%, which means that we are 95% confident that our interval captures the true population parameter. In conclusion, inferential statistics allows us to make educated guesses about a population based on a sample. It helps us determine whether our observations are statistically significant and provides us with estimated ranges through confidence intervals. So, the next time you hear about inferential statistics, remember that it's all about drawing conclusions beyond the data in front of us. Stay tuned for more statistical adventures in future videos.